The reason we choose Aussie lamb is because they are free range and they are always feed open pasture. So I think it's very healthy. They create a very lean, healthy meat cut. For me, I like to cook at open fire, which is like barbecue, smoke. Instead of using charcoals, we are actually using woods from Australia, like Jara, hickory, all this. So it's create a very nice flavor. I think it's the saddle of lamb, the place around the loin. We remove the bone and we stuff with like chicken mousse, chicken sausage. So we cook it whole and we smoke it. And when you open it up, it's like full of surprises. It's a kind of art to barbecue with fire. Because you cannot really adjust the fire. There's no temperature on the fire. So you need to play around with the coals. Yeah, I think it's very fun to play with. Yeah. There's a lot of variation on lamb. Like Asian, you got lamb satays, Chinese, you got lamb fried rice, all this. So I think I'm very happy to share like what can we do for all the lamb cuts. For household, I would choose the smaller cut, like the lamb fillet. So I don't think like all the household know about lamb fillet. Mostly they know it's about the beef tenderloin, which is like a big cut. But lamb fillet itself is very small, very tiny. So you can cook it maybe like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I think it's very good for household. There's a few variations. If you don't have a grill at home, you can just use a pan to sear it. And all you do is to roast some capsicum and potatoes and mix everything together, like a lamb salad or something. It's very easy to cook lamb at home. And it's also a smaller cut compared to steaks. Oh, of course, amazing. During this kind of period, you still can do this kind of collab. And I enjoy like seeing people know more about the food knowledge.